Pimp my Sandero, why bother? The Dacia Sandero. It's cheap, cheerful and, well, a bit basic. But that's where the fun begins. Why settle for basic when you can have bloody brilliant? Upgrading your Sandero's interior isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about turning a budget hatchback into a bespoke chariot of awesomeness. Think about it. No more rattling dashboards on those bumpy back roads. No more squinting at the sat-nav in the glare of the midday sun. Just pure driving pleasure tailored to you. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or a DIY novice, this guide will give you the know-how to transform your Sandero from drab to fab. So buckle up, petrol heads, and let's get this show on the road. Out with the old, in with the new, accessorizing like a pro. First things first, let's ditch those dreary, factory-fitted bits and bobs. We're talking steering wheel covers, gear knobs, seat covers, the lot. Out with the bland, in with the bold. Now before you go ripping things out willy-nilly, a word of advice. Measure twice, cut once. Okay, maybe no cutting is involved here, but you get the point. Check the size and compatibility of any accessories before you buy. Choose materials that are durable and easy to clean. Leather always looks smart, but breathable fabrics are good for warmer climates. And remember, this is your car, so go for what you fancy. Let there be light, LEDs and optic cables. Oh my, want to add a touch of futuristic flair to your Sandero? Then LEDs and optic cables are your new best mates. These bad boys are easy to install and can transform the ambience of your car. Start by swapping out those dull interior lights with some bright white LEDs. Footwells, door panels, the boot. Let there be light. For a touch of drama, consider running optic cables along the dashboard or door trims. You can even get them in different colors to match your mood or your football team. Just remember, safety first. Don't go overboard with the lights, especially near the driver's seat. We want you to see the road, not be blinded by the light. Let's face it, the Sandero isn't exactly known for its library-like quietness. But fear not, my friends, for Soundproofing is here to save the day. This might sound daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Start by adding sound-deadening mats to the doors, floor, and boot. These mats are designed to absorb vibrations and reduce road noise. You can also use foam insulation to fill in any gaps and crevices. For maximum effect, consider adding a layer of sound-absorbing foam under the carpet and headliner. Trust me, the difference will be music to your ears. Or rather, the lack of noise will be. Want to give your Sandero that sleek and mysterious look? Window tinting is the answer. Not only does it look cool, but it also helps to keep your car cooler in the summer, and reduces glare from the sun. However, before you go full gangster, remember that there are legal limits on how dark you can tint your windows. Check the regulations in your country to avoid any unwanted attention from the boys in blue. It's always best to get it done professionally to ensure it's done right. Now for the fun part, adding your personal touch. This is where you can really let your personality shine through. Got a favorite sports team? Get some custom floor mats and seat covers. Music lover? Invest in a high-quality sound system. You can also add small details like air fresheners, phone holders, and dashboard decorations. Just remember to keep it classy and avoid anything that could obstruct your view or become a dangerous projectile in case of an accident.